Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Gerdong kaseng BJP Negaro Hills u Bernard Marang. Ulaong baka BJP kanyakhon ni ke election chiteng samoy ha Gambegre nak benta ka jing sensyar ka babha ban penkut bo regi nong gendong ling ba ka sensyar Paidbah bat ban penkut no ya ka Bamsap ka bar penjenjar ya ki Paidbah. Ki Paidbah ka Gambegre kin hab ban Jied ya ka Bamsap ni ka jing sensyar ka babha ka jing sakdien ni ka jing penroy bat ban kershan ban long kin dong syak penbor ni ban yalek persyak ya ka jing e barok. Bernard ulaong baki Paidbah ka Gambegre constituency ki long kum kimrau na ka jing sensyar Bamsap ka sorkar ka baklem ai ye ki jing yarap bat ki kam penroy sorkar syaki Paidbah ka election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre kan long ka jing yakun ka bai tanat bha bat baro ki bala syak pendu ha ki nong yalam jong ka sorkar sensyar klem ar tatien kin Jied ya ka BJP laong Bernard ki nong thap vote jong ka Gambegre kin ai ya ka rai ban Jied yu nong yalam jong ki ha ka khatlai tari unai wing bat nganget baki nong tap vote kin Jied ya ka roy kapar ban ya ka Bamsap laben rap Bernard. Shushu ula kedawru baka Gambegre ka de ka constituency jong ki riulum bat kan long ka kam ka bajrong hendrei ka nong rim ka bangilale kan ai ka jingkhen ka basngotanat persya ya ki riu kraw san perthei ki bala sensyar ya ka ne ka than ha ki por bala letno. Ka jingthmu jongi na ka benta ka Gambegre ka long ban pen kalai ka ne ka than sya ka than ka bakersya ne ka roy kapar om sya ka than ka badang duna ha ka roy kapar.
I'm very happy that the central leadership of BJP has chosen me to be the candidate in the by-election in Gambegre constituency. Gambegre is a ST constituency and most of the people out there are tribals, and it is an opportunity to work for the people who have been deprived of so many facilities, so many schemes which has been provided by the central government. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has always worked out our schemes for the poor. But in Meghalaya and in Gambegre, I have noticed in my tours and in my campaigns that so many people have been deprived from the basic needs. They don't even have a proper house, they don't have a proper drinking water, they don't have road connectivity, their livelihood status is not so good. So many families do not have BPL ration cards, and so many other issues which has actually affected them in last many years. So it is a very good opportunity for us to help these people so that they can uh, see development in their constituency, and they can see positive change, physical change, which would uplift the face of Gambegre. We are also looking into various projects which can be worked out in Gambegre so that it can create job opportunity and other facilities for the educated and uneducated youths in many different dimensions. We are also looking at how we can help the students to have a better education, because in Gambegre I have found that so many primary schools are without roof, are without benches, and the status of the schools are not in a very good condition, and it's not giving a good environment for the children. So these are the challenges I have seen. And in the health sector, we need good facilities, we need more uh, improvement to be made to the health sectors. So other than that, all the center schemes, be it Jal Jeevan Mission or the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana or the individual household latrines or the NREGA, the Kisan cards, the Sober Care scheme, people are facing lots of problem in the high electricity bills, which would also be looked into, because people don't know who to turn to, because their own elected members have actually betrayed them. And in Jal Jeevan also, their own elected members have betrayed them in the past. So there's so much of rectification, there's so much of positive steps that can be taken to improve Gambegre. So once again, I dedicate my time, my energy for Gambegre, and I'm very thankful that the center leadership has chosen me to do this task. Thank you so much.